Right, I'm doing a little bit more on the Lister today. I have to work outdoors on this, and because I haven't got room in the garage, and the weather this week has been terrible. So, upcoming jobs, what I know about: no petrol pipe, no petrol tap. So I'll show you what I've got. I've just disconnected this and drained the petrol. There's the odd drip coming out, but it's all been drained. No petrol tap. It didn't have the original drain tap, and the greaser was missing. And I had a plug, but it wasn't that great. So let me show you what I've got. So I've got myself a rebuild kit. Right, so I didn't have a pulley, and I want to be running some machinery. Probably start with a pump. So I bought myself a pulley. Bought myself the badges, or the water slides, like on the Airfix kits. You soak them in water and then slide them on. So I've got those. Brand new, original type drain for the fuel tank, water tank. Brand new petrol tap. Greaser. So this came up for sale. The whole shaft had the greaser on the end. So I bought the lot. I've got a pipe as well. I've got a pipe. And what about this? So a good friend of mine had in his possession a very old original plug. Look at that, 3 electrodes, made in England, KLG, with a nice copper washer. Yeah, plug. And these are the 2-part ones. They come apart. So today I'll be fitting these and trying to give the old girl I'm going to be doing the painting and decorating later on. I want to get it running nice first. Once I know she's running right, then it'll be time for get the sander out. I've got a die grinder with small sanding heads, and they come in different grades, so I'll be able to go over a lot of it and get the paint right down, all the flake off, get it down as flat as I can get it, repaint it, put the decals on, and yeah, that'll be next. I have got on the way one of these. I bought one of them. This is going to be here next Saturday. So watch this space if you are interested in stationary engines as well. I've got a Manco, a hired hand, or hired man, 2 horsepower. It's not the stationary one, it's the hit and miss. It's exactly the same as that. Unknown entity at the moment, but that'll be here this time next week. So watch this space on that one. But in the meantime, I'm playing with a Lister. So I'm going to switch this off for a sec, and I'll put the camera over there when I start doing a little bit of work. Right, back on the Lister. Had a bit of a fuel leak there. Changed for a new tap, new washer. Seems to be okay. Fuel tank's full. It's been on for 10-15 minutes. No petrol, so that's going good. Now, paint stripper. This was heavily flaking, so I'm going over the whole thing with paint stripper and get all that old paint off. It's running all right. Got that nice plug in there. Fires up lovely now. But look, the paintwork was like this. So that's all coming off. I was going to sand it with a little grinder, but I thought, no, if I get a paint strip on it, it'll take it right back. So just a little update. You can see how bad the paint was, look. Yeah, I've got myself rebuild kit. That's going to be polished. It's all rusty. This will be polished. It's an alloy, aluminium. This will be heat resistant black paint. I want sanding first, so it's pitted. Give it good sanding down. Not sure what to do about carb. That was it's been painted silver. I'm not sure what to do about that, and I want to do something with that as well. There is, it does say. So that must say all to the left. Yeah, it does say. That says. I think it says stop. One says normal. That says normal. I don't know if that's start or stop. I can't hardly see it. But yeah, progress. It's running. It's running nicely. I've adjusted the. Oh, that's come off. Look at that. Yeah, I've adjusted the throttle control. I've got it running nice and slow. That spring's a bit. That spring's not doing anything now. Just noticed that. It probably might make a difference once it's running. Basic engines these. Once it's running, I'm surprised how quiet it is really. I've got a pulley to go on here. Bloody look at that, it's all crazed. Funny because that arrow is clockwise. When it's running, if I play the video back, it looks like it's going that way. But it's just you know, figment of my imagination. That's not the original drain tap, so that's coming off. This will be polished. These will be taken off, and I'm not sure what to do. I could powder coat them. I'm not sure what to do with the mag. I'll have to see what other people do with the mag. I'll probably just polish this. That's never been painted by the looks of it. Or that. I'll have to do something with that, because otherwise it's just go rusty again. But that's my scraper. That's it's been painted a load of times. Look, it's different, completely different green there. Yeah, so I've got several different scrapers for different areas, but yeah, that's going to come off. So leave it there, and I'll come back when I've done a bit more.